Today's craft is going to be the roly-poly penguin model. He's quite a relaxed little guy here, he leans back, that's purposeful. You get fun, lots of little fiddly things to have fun cutting out and colouring and putting together. So we've added a few little things to make him look like the Silly Squad penguin character that you might recognise if you've joined the Silly Squad reading game. The first thing we do, I'll put him to one side, is you will need the black sheet of A4 paper, and then lots of just odd little bits of white paper, coloured paper, some eyes, but everything else just really straightforward. So I've drawn it out on a white piece of A4 because clearly you're not going to see it if it's drawn onto black. So you need to mark your black piece of A4 paper at 6 cm strip, and then you want another 6 cm strip. So cut the 6 and then another 6 across. And the first one, you're just going to mark and score with your ruler and pencil at 6 centimetres, then at 12, then at 24, and that will give you this long piece here. That's all folded. So you have a nice overlap, and there's your penguin body there, looking quite relaxed. And then your second strip of paper, you're going to leave it 6 centimetres wide by 20 centimetres long, and just cut off that bit, and that gives you this bit, which is going to form the head. Because it's all made from just rolled pieces of paper. So, a bit easier to see on there. So we're going to stick this together first. So that's our body. And this one, you're just going to stick a little bit on the end to put a little overlap. Like this. And then stick that to the top. Okay. And that's the basis of your penguin. So now you get fun of choosing all the little bits to add to it. So the first thing we're going to start with is to make the tummy and decorate that. So one of the easiest ways to do that, if you draw a little rectangle, this is 5 by 7 centimetres to give you an idea so it's not too big, and then you're just going to draw this sort of oval shape inside of it. And then our little one on the Silly Squad has a blue swimsuit on, so you might want to just draw some lines here just to colour in those. And then you just cut that oval shape out. And stick that in the front there. Always useful to have a scrap piece of paper as your glue sheet, so any excess glue goes onto there, stops your tables getting covered, and throw it away afterwards. So that's the tummy, then the wings. So again, I've shown you on a piece of white paper here. So just draw out the wing shape, and if you draw that onto black, and the easiest thing is if you fold the paper in half, and then you can just cut through 2 layers at once, and then you just need to draw out a little inner area of the wing, and that's going to be on just a piece of white scrap paper, maybe what's left over from something, the tummy section. So take your wings, make sure you get them in the right direction, alright, and stick the white bits here in the side and just fold back a little area to be your tabs. And you can just stick those coming out of the body there. Like that. Okay. There else, we've got nice loose wings there. Next thing is our little character has a little head feathers there. So again, draw this on black paper. Remember to leave a little tab that you can attach it with. So that's what I've done here. Just cut that out, be any shape at all really there, and just stick that to the top. Just like that. Okay. Yeah, so he's got those. Then you want some eyes, which again, if you've got googly eyes at home, so you can stick those with some wet glue, or you might have some stickers like I do here, or you could just use some white sticker and draw on and then cut round. So anyway, you want to do the eyes. Then obviously we need a beak, so you need some orange paper here, or if you don't have any of these, you can always just colour with some wax crayons. That's the easy way to do it. So you're going to draw a diamond, and then just fold the diamond in half, and you just put glue on one half of it, and stick that in there. So it's got his nice little beak there. You can make this out of yellow as well if that's easier. And then you need 2 little feet. So again, use those on some yellow or some orange, whichever you've got. And you're going to stick those so they're just poking out underneath. 2 from the pot. That's that one. And that one. So then a couple of the options we have here now are we have a beach ball. Here we are, because again our silly squad lovely penguin has a beach ball to play with when he's on the beach. So just draw around a little inside of a small sellotape holder if you're looking to draw a circle, and I'm just going to put some little markings in here like that, and colour that. But it doesn't matter if you colour outside the lines when you're going to cut it out, so no difference at all. It should be a lot messier and go a lot quicker. Okay. And we're just going to tuck that underneath his wing. And then another option is a little hat. Got a nice little hat here to match his swimming costume. So to make the hat, just draw a line here in a particular length, just a bit longer really than your head there. Remember to add a little tab to the bottom, otherwise you've got nothing to attach it with. And then inside of that, do it with a pen, that's easier. I'm just going to draw those 2 lines together, about 1 centimetre up. Just draw that across. Like that, and then there we go. So slightly elongated rectangle to there, and just a nice little ribbon on his hat. So that's your hat drawn out there. Colour in that band. Obviously, you can colour all of it if you'd like. Again, you can overlap all the lines when you're cutting out, makes it a lot quicker. So just remember when you cut it to make sure you cut the tab, otherwise you've got nothing to stick it on with. Hold your little tab back, and we're going to stick it on there. So your little penguin almost done. All we need to do is stick it to a bit of cardboard as a base, make him a little bit sturdier. So I'll stick over the top here. And then it's all very relaxed. Wibbly wobbly penguin here. There we go. Hopefully he's going to have as much fun at the beach as you might do this summer. There we go.